This lipstick is really last longer. The longevity, I can assure you that. Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again and again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a follow-up video from my previous vlog about makeup that doesn't smudge or transfer to our mask. So today I'm going to do a tutorial for lipstick that lasts longer and doesn't smudge or transfer to our mask. Okay, so malinis po ito. So far, ang gagamitin ko lang po ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also, I have one more that I'm gonna introduce to you. So, I chose a couple of lipstick that came from a drugstore. So number 1 is this one. I think you already know this. This is from Stila. I bought it from Shoppers Drug Mart. Most likely alam nyo na din po ito. From Maybelline. This is the pink series from last summer. And the L'Oreal signature rouge something eclat. And also these are all a drugstore. So my shade in this one is 436. I forgot to check the name, but my number is 436 from L'Oreal. This is rouge lipstick. Okay, so this one, the Stila. This is fiery, I don't know. 210 Flirty Fling. So guys, the last lipstick that I'm going to try on today is very long lasting, and I can assure you that this brand is from my friend. Also, she's a YouTuber. Her YouTube channel is Shelalyn Hutchinson. Ayan po yung channel niya. Please don't forget to subscribe to her channel and check her videos as well. And she's also a distributor of this lippies. It's a Lipsense, and I know this for a long time already. She sent me this one, the sunset, summer sunset, and I already have one, and I bought that last year. I have also the Oops Remover, kasi there's a tendency, kasi this lipstick is really last longer. The longevity, I can assure you that. Okay, so let's begin. Actually guys, she asked me to do a review for this, pero because I'm always busy, kaya mas nauna siyang gumawa ng video before me, at saka nauna yung face mask kong gawin kesa dito. So I'm sorry for that, Sissy Loves. And so here you go, I'm gonna try it now. Wala po akong lipstick, sadya lang po talagang, alam mo na, mapula. Siyempre. So, this is the color. I'm gonna So, let's wait a little bit until medyo malagkit siya. Pero mas maganda talaga yung magstay siya at manuyo sa labi mo talaga, as in, promise guys, that's my trick and that's my tip for you if you wanna use the Lipsense. And lips. So, this is the lip gloss. Are you ready guys? And 3, 2, 1. So this is clean. magic. You see, the lip gloss is still here. It doesn't smudge. Okay, so guys, here you go, all the lippies, the lipstick, the lip gloss that I used for this video. Okay, tips for you guys when you're using matte lipstick, you always make sure to blot it into the napkin. So when you put first, like for example, but not this one, okay, kasi ano na siya, para din siyang Lipsense. Pag nilagay mo, you just need to make it, to let it dry for a bit, and then put the lip gloss. Okay, yeah, this one. So when you use this, when I use this 3, always make sure to blot it first, like blot with a napkin or the tissue, the paper towel. Just let it dry, as in dry, and then you will see the result, because this one, guys, don't have the moisturizer. Okay, I mean the lip gloss. Okay, so that's my number 1 tip. My another tip is, from time to time, guys, make sure to exfoliate your lips. Merong mga, how you call that, merong mga exfoliator, or you can do it DIY. The honey and the sugar, just rub it into your lips para hindi siya nangingitim if you always use. Guys, I hope you learned something today from my tutorial, from my tricks and my tips para sa ikakaganda natin. O, diba? So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video, and if you do, please like and subscribe. And also, if you have anything or any suggestion, please comment down below, so para magawa ko naman siya. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I love you, stay safe, and I always say nothing is permanent in life. Okay, so dapat nating isipin yan lagi. So dapat be good, do good, and stay good. Okay, bye. Mwah.